Small features save big time. That's why we built a new simple feature in batch inventory called Daily Task, so you can easily manage and track your daily repeating tasks. That's why we developed a new simple feature in batch inventory called Daily Task. Here you can easily manage your daily repeating tasks and keep proper tracking, as you can see. So far, we haven't added any tasks, so the entire task board for this month is empty. Let's add a new task now to activate the board and start planning work. Adding a new task is very easy. Just enter the task name and click Add Task, and your task will be added to the system instantly. As you can see, this task has been added. You can add all your required tasks the same way. Each user can create tasks for themselves and will only see the tasks they made. The task board is meant for people who repeat the same daily tasks. Keeping proper track of repeated tasks can be difficult. So this simple task board lets you easily track all your daily tasks. Now that we've added our tasks, you can reorder them whenever needed. The software provides an option to rearrange tasks quickly. If, for example, you want the stock report tasks to appear at the end, you can easily reorder tasks to match your workflow. Drag each task to the position you decide and click Save Order. The new order will be stored in the system immediately. This makes task management even easier. Tasks will now appear in the exact sequence you set, so your team follows the same workflow every day. To complete a task, click the checkbox next to it, add an optional remark if you want, and press Confirm to save. Quick, simple, and fully trackable. As soon as you do this, the day's task is marked complete, and your tracking is updated instantly. If you complete a backdated task today, the system records the current date and time and shows these details under the task, so you always know exactly when it was completed, making daily task management clear and easy. These tasks are private, visible only to you and not to other users. This feature helps you remember and easily track your daily work, and today's tasks show up in green, so you instantly know what to do. This highlight helps you focus so your daily tasks are never missed, and the feature is very easy to use. Track every date of the month at a glance. See day-to-day tasks instantly and keep the whole month organized. Use the month and year selector. Apply it, and the board will show every date of that month with all tasks for each day. You can jump to any date to view and complete its tasks immediately, and use the filters option to narrow results and find tasks faster. Use the filters to show only completed or only uncompleted tasks, so your pending tasks appear instantly day by day for quick action. This helps you focus on what's left, finish tasks faster, and you can also use the print option to share the report when needed. You can save the board as a PDF or print it directly to share easily and keep your records safe. To rename a task, double-click its title, type the new name, and press Enter. The task is saved instantly with the updated title. Imagine small daily tasks: making stock reports, checking inward entries, or writing reminders, which are easy to remember at first, but get forgotten as your business grows. The Daily Task Board solves this by organizing everyday's tasks into a clear list, keeping your team focused, reducing mistakes, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Tick the checkbox to mark a task complete, and you can reopen or retry it later if needed. If a task is missed, The system shows which tasks are pending and when each was completed, so you can relax. No more daily notes or stress. If you like these helpful features, please like the video. See you in the next interesting video where you'll learn step by step how to use the Excel reports feature. Until then, goodbye. Stay connected with Rappid Technologies.